Ever wondered how casinos continue to thrive, seemingly unbeatable? The allure of the casino world, with its dizzying lights and thunderous applause, hides a simple truth. These establishments are not just lucky, they're strategically profitable. Today, we pull back the curtain on the revenue model of casinos. Casinos at their core are entertainment businesses. But how exactly do they turn a profit? Well, it's all about the house edge. This is a mathematical advantage that ensures casinos always come out on top over time. Think of it as the casino's built-in profit margin on every game. Each game has a different house edge. For instance, blackjack might have a relatively low house edge, while slot machines often have a higher one. The higher the house edge, the more profitable the game is for the casino. In addition to the house edge, casinos have another trick up their sleeve to keep the cash flowing: comped services. These are free goods and services offered to players to keep them at the tables, such as complimentary drinks, meals, and even hotel stays. So casinos make their money through the house edge and comped services. But what are the key points to remember? Let's break down the casino revenue model into its key components. The first thing to remember is the house edge. This is the mathematical advantage that ensures casinos always come out ahead over time. Different games have varying house edges, meaning some games are more profitable for the casino than others. Another crucial element is the use of comped services. These are complimentary perks like free drinks or hotel rooms that keep customers playing longer. These services might seem like generous gifts, but in reality they're strategic tools designed to maximize the casino's profits. Remember, while individual players may have their moments of victory, the casino always wins in the long run. And there you have it, the secret sauce to the casino's profitability, the house edge, and comped services.